Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility so you see the Shortcuts list. This is where the phone routes physical buttons to features. Once there, scan for assistive features like Talk Back, Magnifier, or Accessibility menu tied to power or volume keys. You do this now to avoid toggling the wrong control later, because disabling the correct mapping prevents accidental activation. Make sure you note which button combination is listed before changing anything. Next, select the exact shortcut entry you identified and open its settings. You will see an on/off toggle or activation options. Turn the toggle off or change activation to none so the physical keys no longer launch the accessibility feature. If the phone asks for your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, provide it to confirm. This protects against accidental changes. Once done, test the button combo briefly to ensure the feature no longer opens. Finally, verify by pressing the same button combination. You should not see the accessibility feature. If it still activates, reboot the phone because some settings require a restart to take effect. If rebooting doesn't help, revisit accessibility and reset shortcut settings to default, then disable again. This often clears residual mappings. Troubleshooting tip: if a third-party app hijacks shortcuts, uninstall or disable that app before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.